I am K.K. Mishra, Chemistry video for class 11th. Today I discussed about the subject chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science in which a study about property of matter. Anything around us we can touch, we can see, and we can feel that can occupy a space, volume, and have mass are called matter. So, matter is all things around us that can occupy the volume and have mass. A vast knowledge about the chemistry we will discuss here. There are three branches of chemistry: physical, inorganic, and organic chemistry. हम लोग अपने प्रीवियस क्लास 10th में साइंस में फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो पढ़ा था, लेकिन क्लास 11th से इन तीनों ब्रांच को साइंस से अलग अलग कर दिया गया है। केमिस्ट्री में अलग तीन ब्रांच के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे, जो फिजिकल, इनऑर्गेनिक एंड ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के रूप में होगा। ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री is a branch of chemistry in which we study about carbon compounds. All carbon compounds belongs from the organic except oxides of carbon, carbides of carbon, and carbonates. Organic compounds obtained from nature. It means living things, either from animal kingdom or plant kingdom, like alcohol, hydrocarbon, petrol, diesel, kerosene, greases, oil, honey, wax, leather, cotton, wood, protein, fat, carbohydrate, and etc. In inorganic chemistry, we discussed about the element, compounds, and etc. In physical chemistry, we discussed about the physical status, physical aspects about any compounds, elements, or matters, how they are boiled, they are freezed, their internal strength, how they are react, in which time the total reactant converted into products, why the substance can dissolve in water or not, or any solvents. These questions belong from the physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, we discussed about these problems. Now, we classify the matters. Matters are of two types, pure and impure. Pure matters like element and compounds. Impure matter is mixture or solution. Element is of three types: metal, non-metal, and metal wires. Metal, that elements are malleable, ductile, lustrous, sound producing after beating, good conductor of electricity and heat. The elements having these properties, malleability, ductility, lustrous, sound producing, good conductor, etc., are called metal. Example for iron, copper, silver, gold, tin, lead, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. These are metals. In other hands, non-metals are brittle. ये भंगुर होते हैं. Non-ductless, non-ductile, have no metallic luster, do not produce metallic sound, non-sonorous, insulator, do not conduct electricity. Examples of non-metals are carbon, silicon, phosphorus, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and etc. But the third type of elements called metal wires, the elements have both metals and non-metal properties, are called metal wires. Metal wires placed in periodic table in between metals and non-metals. It means metal wires present in periodic table in right side p block elements. Only 6 metal wires are known: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium. Impure matter mixture and solution. It is of two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. When two or more than two matter are mixed together without reacting, we obtained the mixture. Mixture have all properties of the constituents participants. Homogeneous mixture, it means all the constituents are distributed equally in whole range of the mixture, are called homogeneous mixture. While the all constituent particles are unequally distributed in whole range of the mixture, are called heterogeneous mixture. हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर में एग्जाम्पल हो जाएंगे नमक और चीनी का मिक्सचर, बालू और आयरन डस्ट का मिक्सचर। वहीं होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर का हो जाएगा एग्जाम्पल एलवाई, जो मिश्र धातु होते हैं वो होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर के एग्जाम्पल हो जाएंगे।